In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to crossplay Palworld between Xbox, Steam, PlayStation, and PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. About 2 months ago, crossplay was finally introduced into Palworld, so now you are able to play together with your friends even if all of you are on different platforms. So, of course, it is expected that you will have a server set up and everyone will be able to join that same server. There are two main ways to set up a multiplayer session. You can either use an invite code where the host will go inside of their own world and they will get the invite code when they pause the game and share it with everyone who is going to be joining. If you choose this option above it that doesn't have the invite code, then you will see the dedicated server browser. This is going to be useful if you are hosting a Palworld server through a hosting server, for example, and you can find your specific server usually under community servers. In here, just search for it looking for a specific keyword and you can join the server from this menu. Everyone just has to go ahead and join. So it is simple to do, and after this is done, all of you can play together. Now, if this method doesn't work either because you don't have a dedicated server or someone cannot join, then the other option becomes the invite code. So I recommend trying out the invite code first, and if this doesn't work, then you might have to pay for hosting. All that you have to do in this case is that the host needs to go inside of the game, and when they pause the game at any point, they will see the invite code that everyone who is going to be joining will use. At that point, they just copy that invite code, choose this option from the home screen, and join using the code. There's no limitations anymore. People who are on PlayStation can play with Xbox, can play with PC, and so on. And the dedicated server is only useful if the host doesn't want to be online all the time, because if you use an invite code, the host needs to be online. As soon as they go offline, the server will be taken down as well, so keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to crossplay Palworld. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.